calling, catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together.
Hey y'all, so look, my dumb tail was recording in slow-mo the whole time. I am so mad. But anyway, in the last clip, y'all, please tell me why me and Jewel was trying to get on the little train so we could get to our gate. Please tell me why please tell me why the damn door closed on her, y'all. Y'all, it was so funny. I could not stop laughing this whole time. I was like, Lord, me and my girl done got separated. But I'm going to end up waiting for her on the next clip. But I just had to come on here and just let y'all know what was going on.
You must forever. That's why I cannot go away.
Okay, my boy. You as well. Is that trash?
That's what it gave.
Girl,
Which is that? The ghetto.
I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Do some magic and then I can get it.
He wanted to sit with his people. We swap. Go to your seat, ma'am. Bitch, this plane is packed. She all the way back there.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together. You must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Do some magic and yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You be and I'll be there. Be there. Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know. Cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no.
Let's see what they got. Dude, that's a Valentino, bitch. Oh, wow. $249. That's still not bad for that, though. Wow. We don't have them in our stores. Even this is nice. Oh, they got all the bags that we don't have. Like, they got all the... Girl, what? Yeah, they got everything we don't got. This is so cute and childish. Even a little Aldo purse. Oh, y'all got. Y'all got some stuff in here. Oh, even this is nice. This is really pretty. Yeah. Super cute. Little mirrors and stuff. They got all the little masks. Oh, girl, what is this? Oh, it's like a balm. How stinking cute. Oh, look at the little compact little mirrors. Look at that. It's so cute. Look at the little baby. Like, look at the little Gucci little belt. More Valentino style.
Even down to the shade. Then they got a little Burberry. Not bad. Love that. Little planter. Hello Kitty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look, as y'all seen at the beginning, I told y'all I was recording in slow-mo. So apparently I was recording in slow-mo the entire trip, y'all, and I just did not know. So yes, I had to get on here, let y'all know this moment right here. I was just really coming on here and saying, hey, go easy on me because I know I look terrible. And today is the day we were going to see my sister movie premiere. That was the whole reason why we were in New York. So yes, just an exciting moment, y'all. So yeah, that's all that this part right here was. So, bye, y'all.
Fuck nigga chick, and I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. At the red light, twerking on them headlights. At the red.
And we're off to the premiere. Yeah. Period. We a little late, but we on the way. Oh, at 500. Yeah, we late. But we on the way, y'all. We're on the way.
Light, twerking on them headlights.
Why does our skin look glowing?
We look great.
Way too rich to drive a Rove. Made a milli out the stove. She let them put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put her all the bros. I done
Wanna get into the video?
I done put up in the ghost. I done reached out my nose. Pull up in the trees like Caliban.
Really happy and privileged and blessed to be showing the movie here. So,
Hey everybody. Hey. Nah, definitely was a sci-fi and everything.
Yes, we did. It was instant connection. I think in my case it actually that instant connection helped the arc of my character.
Pull up with a rocket like number 9. I don't want your hoes. Your nigga reach out the goals. Let her suck the dick since she was a pro. She straight with you. I'ma tell her to go.
Period.
It's giving me. Okay, we just finished the premiere. We're ready to go to the party. Ooh, it's so windy. So windy. So windy. So windy.
Sid brought the wind.
Yes.
The glory.
Ooh. Check her out. Check her out.
Hey guys.
Possible. Go, 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 go. Head so good, she an honor roll. She a ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. She ride it like she's flags. And turn up to the max. I whop her from the back. I whop her from the back. They love me out in flags.
All right, guys. We're gonna continue tonight. Okay. Continue tonight. I'm still with my sister. She's trying. We just finished here. We're ready to go after party. We still outside.
The after party.
After party, y'all. We still outside out here in New York. The girl is turning up right now. With her sister. She's a whole star, but you know, she's famous or whatever.
Let me look a close up of the sign.
Close up.
No filter.
Ooh, cute.
Thank you so much.
He right here with me.
This is what I'm telling you, baby. Woo, everybody, baby.
Oh, I can't even have my own phone back. Ooh, yes. Yes. Everybody get in there. That's so nice meeting you.
The most beautiful, the most beautiful.
Most beautiful.
Most beautiful, be careful, because you get like a, you get things.
One of those chances. Yeah, exactly. One in a lifetime.
Mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at.
Hey y'all, I'm back again. So look, in this moment, this is the next morning. Me and Joy was still at the hotel. We was getting ready to leave to head to the airport. Y'all, when I tell you had a time the previous night, do y'all know I got back in? I think it was like 5:30, 6 o'clock. It was around that time, y'all. That's what time I strolled on back into the hotel. A time was had. We had so much fun. Definitely good vibes, y'all. So that's pretty much what I was talking about in this moment. Hell was towed up, y'all. Got rained on and everything. Yeah, y'all. But anyway, New York was amazing. So it was just so much fun. I swear, New York owes me nothing.
Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell sleeping on the mattress. Felt like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. My head bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. Getting this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got
All right, y'all. So look, we back at the airport, getting ready to go home or whatever. So we was just sitting at the bar for a long time. Our flight kept on getting delayed, but yeah, we had a few drinks. I had like 4 strawberry lemon drops. Y'all, was so good. Jewel had this chicken. She said it was really good. And y'all, in this clip, she kept fucking up the name. I really wish I could have heard that. But anyway, she said it was really good. But we had so much fun. This trip was definitely great, amazing. I'm just so happy for my sister. She was so great. I'm just so excited for her growth, and I know she's going to keep on going. So yeah, y'all. But that was our New York trip. I hope you guys enjoy. But you already know what time it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. But until next time, I love y'all. Bye.